It's time for another edition of Fast Money with Jessica Barrett.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to tonight's edition of Fast Money, where we ask the questions fast and only pay if you get the right answers. Answer all 4 questions correctly and go home with a stash. Who was the 4th President of the United States?
James Madison.
Right! How many light years away is the Andromeda Galaxy?
2 million.
That is correct. What is 735 times 653.2?
480,175.5.
Right! Last question. Are you ready? With today's modern technology, such as Elastoflex, why would anyone want to paint their house?
You don't have to be a genius to answer the question, why would you paint your house?
I take pride on how my house looks. I'm there every day. It's a reflection of me. So we decided to paint it. Spent a few $1,000s, and after a couple of years, it started to show wear and tear. It was really frustrating.
Paint is actually a very old technology. Over the past 200 years, we've seen a variety of paints, sealers, and stains used to protect our wooden homes. Here's the problem. Wood is a very difficult substance to coat. Constant exposure to the sun's ultraviolet rays can cause wood to go from looking like this to this in a matter of a few years. The elements such as rain, ice, and constantly changing temperatures cause the wood to expand and contract. Since conventional paint has little or no elasticity, after 2 to 4 years it is common to see fading, cracking, and peeling. There is a product now available which overcomes the traditional drawbacks of paint. Available only through Acryltech coatings, Elastoflex is a water-based acrylic coating which forms a highly breathable barrier which is not subject to long-term weathering. This product was developed after years of research, meets all standards, and responds to the most adverse conditions. These acrylic coatings have provided decades of protection to some of the world's largest buildings and structures in some of the toughest environments.
I did some research about the company and found out that they weren't some fly-by-night outfit. They've been in business for many years, as I found out, and also they do commercial work as well. So I felt very comfortable in doing business with them.
Hello, I'm Jeff Dumas, President of Acryltech Coatings. My family's been in the paint and coating business for over 25 years, both in the sale and application of coatings. In 1980, with the introduction of the Clean Air Act, my family saw a great need to introduce a water-based acrylic technology which was solvent-free. This technology is environmentally friendly and provides decades of protection of buildings and structures. Once applied, this acrylic forms a synthetic rubber film which can expand and contract with the movement of your home. This will stop water from entering your wood surface and provide decades of protection. This acrylic technology was first formulated in 1960 and has experienced over 40 years of successful applications in Europe. In 1989, we coated our first house in the United States. Now, some 18 years later, it is still in perfect condition.
Based on the unequal success of Elastoflex in the industrial market in this country and abroad, homeowners can enjoy the benefits of this coating as long-term protection for the exterior of their residential homes and buildings. Acryltech has combined the science of offering a coating which is resistant to the elements with the art of transforming your home into a thing of beauty.
I met with Rich, I was very comfortable with him. He's a no-pressure kind of guy, and he explained the process to me.
Well, we start off with making an appointment with the prospective customers. I'll then go to their house, estimate their house, sit down with the customers, and explain to them how our coating system differs from a conventional coating. With almost 30 years of painting experience, I know how our coating system can outperform a conventional paint job. We are so confident with our coating system that we offer guarantees that include labor and materials from 5 to 20 years, depending on the surface we are coating.
I've had workers come to my house and they were horrible. I was very, very unhappy with them. Why? Because they were dirty. I had to clean up after them. They didn't come when they were supposed to. I had to wait around the house all day for them. But then when I met Acryltech, I thought, oh, this is a pleasure. I mean, this is worth everything. They were reliable, they were clean, and I wish I would have known about Acryltech years ago.
We at Acryltech pride ourselves in not leaving a customer's home until they are completely satisfied. This word of mouth is the backbone of our business.
You know, I was telling my friend about Acryltech, and it occurred to me, Acryltech has brains and beauty, because not only does my house look great, but it's a smart product because it's good for the environment, and I like that.
Based on these coating success both industrially and residentially, we are very excited to offer them to you for use on your home.
Call us now to set up a no-obligation appointment with Rich. Why not start the process now so your home can look great for years to come?